Hello, this is Ty Barnes, and today I will be explaining how to solve a couple of problems with this triangle. The first problem that I had to solve was to find the length of this line right here. First, I already had 90 inches, which is the hypotenuse, and 25 inches, which is the adjacent to D, because this whole line right here was 50 inches. So, divide that by 2, 25 and 25. Anyways, I chose to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for this right here because we already had two parts of the triangle. So, might as well use that to find one more. So, while doing that, I substituted these numbers into the letters, and I ended up getting an approximation of 8.1 for B, so I put that right there. Second problem I chose to solve was to find the sin of A. So in order to do that, all you have to do is find some old hippie, or sine opposite over hypotenuse. So in order to find the sin of A, the opposite would have to be 25 inches, and the hypotenuse would be 90 inches, as you see right here. So I simplified it, so I divided these two by 5. I divided these two by 5, and I ended up getting an approximation of 0.2742. The third and final problem that I chose to solve was x of this side, and I actually had a hard time with this one because I thought that, maybe it should come out to be 90 inches as well, but I was sadly mistaken. Anyways, this right here, I'm sorry, can y'all see that? This right here, this degree is 45 degrees of measurement B, of angle B, sorry. And here we go, we're going to solve it. All right. So, the sin of 45 degrees is still, sine, of 45 degrees is still opposite over hypotenuse. So, in order to solve that, you just plug it in, you feel me? Just substitute. The opposite for this would be 25 inches. And since we don't have a hypotenuse yet, it would be x. You just put x right here. So, in order to solve, here we go. You multiply the x by both sides. Then, once you get that out of the way, you divide the sin by both sides. I keep calling it sin, it's sine. Jesus, okay. You divide the sine by both sides, which gives you x equals 25 over sine, 45. So that comes out to approximately 29.38, which is what I put. Thank you all for listening. This has been Ty Barnes once again, and